Welcome everyone to the Gargi Arya show, and we are back again with yet another inspiring guest with us. She has been on our podcast for the second time, I feel, and welcome Juhi ma'am once again to the Gargi Arya show. And today, what we are going to do, just before we move into the topic today, everyone, I would like to tell her she's the sweetest person and a healer you can ever meet. She's a life coach, energy healer, tarot coach. She's on a beautiful mission to help women to heal from within, release their emotional baggage, and step into a life of freedom, joy, and radiant confidence. She's also founder of a beautiful community called Soul Radiance. If you are not a part of it, we are going to discuss at the end how you can become a part of it. And she envisions or dreams about a world where women embraces or accepts their healing journey, unlock their inner strength, and shine with full confidence, balance, and joy in every area of their life. So, thank you so much, Juhi ma'am, for being here once again. Super excited to be your host for today.
Thank you so much, Kagi, for inviting me once again. And like you, I'm also super excited because this is the platform through which we create awareness. So thank you so much.
Awesome. Great. So, my first question that I would like to start with you is, when was that time or turning point in your life where you felt कि आपको लोगों की help करनी है? Like, what sparked this vision inside you that you want to heal other people and especially women?
I have been through a similar journey. I was a very shy introvert homemaker, and I always used to suppress my feeling for a very longer time. And matlab, outer world was something okayish, like a monotonous homemaker doing things. But my inner world was a very sad, a complete emptiness within me. So it was a time when I realized that the emotional thing is making me into deep depression. Matlab, I used to cry all the time, very sensitive. कोई एक वर्ड भी बोल देगा ना तो मुझे बहुत रोना आ जाता था. It was that inner storm which was not stopping from inside. So it was a time when I started healing myself, and this healing journey, that releasing all the past baggages, suppressed feeling, it helped me come out of this depression. So I am on the mission to help every woman who are having suppressed emotional baggages, guilt, shame that they carry throughout the years. I really want to help them release that and grow in their life.
Great. Thank you so much for sharing this story because I truly believe that जब हम लोग कुछ overcome करते हैं we it becomes a responsibility to share it with the world. Like this is something I've learned from Blair Singer. He always says that जब भी आप कुछ overcome कर लो you have to share it. So thank you for doing what you do. My second question to you is, since you are into healing, बहुत सारे लोग को लगता है कि हीलिंग से क्या ही होगा. Like a lot of people, even when I work into healing, people tell me I don't have time, I don't have money, इससे करने से क्या हो जाएगा. So if you want to just spread awareness or shed light on what is emotional healing and why is it so important for a personal like a person's personal growth.
Okay, तो इमोशनल हीलिंग क्या होता है इज व्हाट द वर्ड इमोशन सेज इज एनर्जी इन मोशन, राइट? तो इमोशंस अगर स्टक होते हैं हमारे, इफ वी हैव द गिल्ट, द शेम, मतलब जो भी होता है सप्रेस्ड इमोशन, अनमेट एक्सपेक्टेशंस जो होते हैं, स्मॉल स्मॉल थिंग्स, मे बी दे आर नॉट द बिगर वंस, तो वो कहीं ना कहीं हमारे बॉडी में दे गेट स्टक. if you are not able to express, if you are not able to heal the hurt, कोई एक वर्ड बोल के चला गया, तो वो चले तो गया, लेकिन what emotions after that are going within you, inside your body, that creates that creates blockages in all the areas of your life, be it your career, be it your money, or physical illness. तो वो that suppressed emotion, that hurt emotion जो है वो आपके हर एरिया पे आपको दिखेगा. यू विल फाइंड द repetitive patterns, you will find there is no growth in my career, or you will find that I am attracting similar type of relationships. You don't find good friends because वो सब जो है, even our childhood conditioning जो रहती है, uh, through our parents, the environment that we are born and brought up, our nearby family, I mean close family. तो इन सब से जो हमारे emotions, it is not emotions अभी से हैं, they are from your childhood. तो अगर वो emotions हमारे अंदर suppressed रहते हैं, you you are not able to grow in the area, in any area of your life. सो हीलिंग इज रिक्वायर्ड. हील करना मतलब क्या होता है? वी रिलीज दैट सप्रेस्ड फीलिंग. इवन दो इट इज नॉट अ वन डे प्रोसेस, और क्या, हीलिंग इज अ जर्नी. सो थ्रू हीलिंग वी रिलीज दैट सप्रेस्ड इमोशंस, which in turn helps you grow in all the areas of life.
Yes, absolutely. Thank you so much for sharing this because I totally believe, जब तक you don't heal your own inner child or you don't heal your emotional wounds, तब तक आप कभी आगे नहीं बढ़ पाते. Yes,
Right.
and yes. So now coming into the next question, any, you have worked with so many people, you keep on taking calls, you keep on taking webinars and sessions. So, what do you think? What are some of the biggest emotional wounds, like 3 to 4 that आपने बहुत commonly women's में observe की है?
फॉर होम मेकर्स, मतलब जो स्पेसिफिक होता है दैट दे आर नॉट गुड इनफ, they they are not appreciated or validated for the things they do. तो वो बहुत suppressed feeling create करता है उनके अंदर, guilt create करता है that I am not good enough to do certain things, or I am not worthy of certain things. But this is basic, मतलब to begin with. And there are many more, fear of failure, fear of even success, और बहुत सारे इनसिक्योरिटीज रहते हैं. इनसिक्योरिटीज रिलेटेड टू मनी, टू relationships, because every woman needs the security. Security हर चीज की चाहिए होती है, be it money, relationship, फैमिली, एवरीथिंग. तो उनके अंदर जो fears जो क्रिएट होते हैं, दे आर द दैट इज द सप्रेस्ड इमोशन. एंड ऑल्सो the society expectations which they have. So that creates all the fears in them that we are not good enough, or we can't do this, or we can't grow in this life. So these are the basic things that starts. Fears तो बहुत सारे होते हैं, more than 20 types of fears we have. So yes, ऐसा नहीं है कि सब में, और सब में 3-4 fears होते हैं, या there are categories which they go in depth, like that need to be diagnosed, like what kind of situation are you facing, yeah, or what kind of circumstances you are in.
Absolutely. So, based on the same, बहुत सारे लोगों को ये realize भी नहीं होता कि they are going through certain things and it is impacting them on a daily life. In their daily life उसको impact करता रहेगा, but उनको awareness नहीं है. So, can you just
Right.
shed light on how does unhealed emotional pain जो आपने अभी causes बताए, they start showing up in our daily lives, maybe without us realizing it?
तो डेली लाइफ में इट, सबसे पहले कॉमन वुमेन जो लीड्स अ मोनोटोनियस लाइफ, चाहे वो वर्किंग हो, होम मेकर हो, या जो भी हो, they are not aware of what is going inside them. They are not aware of their emotions. They get hurt very easily. They can, they get triggered very easily because सामने वाला कुछ भी बोल देगा and then their emotions get triggered. तो anger issues होते हैं, and you see the same pattern repeating again and again and again. कभी किसी किसी को तो एक वर्ड ही ट्रिगर कर देता है. So, you see it in your everyday life that certain emotions are there. इसलिए you get triggered easily. इसलिए you get the same patterns easily. So these are the some things that you need to be. First thing to emotional healing is to be aware of your thoughts, to be aware of every emotions that you are feeling right now. Only then you can start your healing journey.
Thank you so much for sharing this. I feel that every person, especially a woman over here, they will be able to understand why they are going through whatever they are, if they are going through it. Because these things बहुत सारे लोग डिस्कस करते हैं लेकिन बहुत सारे लोग नहीं कर पाते. So I hope that Juhi ma'am is really able to crack the code over here. So my next question that I would like to ask you is, you also have such a soothing energy yourself, like you're very calm most of the times. So what exactly do you do on a daily basis to maintain this energy in you, keeping this in mind ki if any woman is listening to this podcast, so they can also start implementing the routine that you are having?
Okay. So thank you for this question because this is something that every woman should do. चाहे you are aware of your thoughts or you are aware of anything. So first thing that I follow is journaling because you need to create the space for yourself that is non-judgmental. Because when you journal down your feelings, you are aware how you are feeling at this moment, how you are feeling about the relationship in your life, how you are feeling about the career in your life, wherever you are right now. So journal down. I journal down my feelings many times a day, maybe 3 times, maybe 4 times, because that is required to know how you feel at that given point of time. Second thing that I follow is some breathing techniques, some breathing exercises which really help you feel calmer than before, that make you feel completely relaxed, and that energy is carried throughout the day. So this is the morning routine that I follow. I follow meditation, chakra healing, and breathing exercise every morning. दिस इज पॉसिबल. बहुत जने बोलते हैं कि टाइम नहीं है, बट इट टेक्स ओनली 15 to 20 minutes टू सेटल डाउन इन अ कामर प्लेस. बिकॉज यही एनर्जी है जो आपके लिए पूरा दिन काम करती है. होल डे all your emotions don't get suppressed. You release all the feelings by journaling and also calm yourself by meditation. And one more thing I would like to guide on is that practice gratitude because it is something that you feel you are blessed with. I practice gratitude throughout the day actually. So these are the things that make you feel that in spite of focusing on your lack, you focus on the abundance in your life.
Awesome. Great. Thank you so much, Juhi ma'am, for sharing such a detailed routine of your morning and evening. So, everyone, just make sure every single day, if I have to recap, gratitude is very important because if you don't appreciate what you have today, universe आपकी vibe को catch कर लेता है and then it gives you nothing. So just make sure that you have gratitude. Second thing, meditation is really very important. journaling, like few of the things that you can do apart from this is visualization, or just sitting in silence and observing everything. Like every single day when I wake up, earlier I used to just check phone, like social media, सबको reply करना. But now I started
Right.
getting very conscious कि at least 30 minutes to 1 hour का gap देकर I am doing all of it. Yes. So thank you so much, Juhi ma'am, for sharing this. My next question that I would like to ask you is around self love. So, what do you think is self love? And as a healer, how do you help your clients get into self acceptance? और वो क्यों जरूरी होता है in soul radiance?
Uh, there are so many women I come across, their happiness key is given to someone else. मतलब they need validation, they need respect, they need means they are chasing relationships, and the most beautiful relationship they are not aware of is self-love, because it is something that enhances your life. अगर आप खुद से प्यार नहीं करोगे तो कोई और आपको कैसे प्यार करेगा? You can't expect others to do that. So instead of seeking what you are seeking outside, look inside you. Love the person who is inside you. सेल्फ सेल्फ लव इज समथिंग कि लोग ऊपर ऊपर से करते हैं बिकॉज उनको लगता है कि डूइंग एक्सरसाइज इज सेल्फ लव, डूइंग थिंग्स, शॉपिंग फॉर योरसेल्फ, दिस इज द पार्ट ऑफ सेल्फ लव. आई एग्री, बट मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ सेल्फ लव इज टॉकिंग टू योरसेल्फ, loving yourself, loving your inner child deeply. उसके अलावा loving what you do, appreciating yourself, विच इज जो नेगेटिव सेल्फ टॉक हम खुद के लिए करते हैं, खुद से ही करते हैं, इट इज समथिंग दैट रिफ्लेक्ट्स इन योर आउटर वर्ल्ड. So most important thing is your positive self talk towards yourself, which will help you grow in your journey, which will make you feel happy all the time. किस कोई और, you will not be dependent for your happiness on others. This is something which I was lacking for a long period of time. मुझे पता नहीं था कि what is the deeper concept of self-love. But once I started practicing, once I started loving myself, so the things around you automatically change because you are in much more happier and peaceful zone. तो आपके आसपास भी वही happiness, वही peace reflect होता है. So yes, self-love is really, really important part of everyone's life.
Absolutely. Thank you for sharing this. So, one more thing I want to ask, you are also into tarot reading and you are also into energy healing. So आप इन सबको how beautifully you have combined. So can you just shed light more on like energy healing and tarot reading? How does this energy work is helping you to go deeper into one's emotional healing while you are working with them closely?
Yes. So to begin with, first, energy healing. Energy healing is, like I said, energy is emotions is energy in motion. So जब हमारे इमोशंस जो होते हैं स्टक होते हैं, तो वो हमारे बॉडी में कहीं ना कहीं इट स्टक्स योर एनर्जी लेवल्स. लाइक वी ऑल आर अवेयर दैट एवरीथिंग इज एनर्जी. तो अ, हमारे बॉडी में जो एनर्जी है, हमारे स्टक इमोशंस वो एनर्जी को ब्लॉक कर देते हैं completely. And over the period of time, you need to release all that emotional blockages, all that energy blockages. So, the modalities which I take, Ho'oponopono healing, EFT, chakra healing, and inner child healing. With combination of all this, we release the emotional traumas, uh, the suppressed emotion, the anger, the anxiety issue, the stress which is uh, piled up over the period of time, the past baggage. So all these modalities, repeating again that healing is a journey. It's not a one-time thing or 1 month thing or 1 week thing. It takes time because आपके emotions जो होते हैं they are from piled up from your childhood. So it takes time, but it is the most essential thing for you to grow in your life. So with Soul Radiance, I combine life coaching and all the healing modalities, which also includes mindset shift. So with that, you are completely a new person, a very confident, happier, and a radiant you. So again, along with a tarot card reading, because with tarot card reading, we come to know what as a person you are and how you can grow ahead in your life. So that also is important part which I include as a tarot coach.
Great, this is awesome. Thank you so much for creating such a system where everything is combined. So, also, can you tell us what exactly do you do in tarot reading? And if somebody is interested to book a tarot reading with you, then what's the process ahead?
So to book for a call for tarot reading, you can click the link in given below in the chat box, and also you can uh, also the community link will be given. You can click the link to join my community, Soul Radiance community. It is easy to connect. So you are just a click away to connect to me for a tarot reading or for healing sessions.
Awesome. Great. Thank you so much. So, everyone, I just want all of you to know this thing. This is not just a trailer, because the whole movie is, cooking inside her community and the program that she has. So, just make sure all the links are going to be there in the description below, her social media handle, the website handle, and I would love for you to just go ahead, join her webinar. She keeps doing her webinars very frequently. Join her there, join her on her Instagram, because you're going to get so much. And you will, since you can also observe the energy level also of Juhi ma'am, it's very soothing. So just make sure that you go ahead and follow her. All the links are in the description. Again, like, coming to our next question that I would like to ask, basically, how do you think, how can someone know if they are truly healing? Are there any signs that they need to look for?
Yes, definitely. Once you start healing yourself, you find yourself very calm. You don't overreact to things. Challenges आते हैं, but उसी same challenge को initially how you used to react with anger, with high energy, then you choose to respond to that situation. So, small things that you will be aware. Again, if you are into the healing journey, you are aware of your emotion. You analyze every thought that is going on at the present moment. You become aware of the every emotion that is going through कि अभी ये challenge आया or this person said me this thing. So how are you feeling? Then uh, you choose to, I mean, how to handle that situation. चाहे वो बात को आप जाने दे सकते हो, because once you are aware, you let go things easily. You forgive people easily. चाहे वो आपको hurt कर रहे हैं या नहीं कर रहे हैं, you just say thank you for your feedback and you forgive that person easily. And also, most important thing, you forgive yourself easily. You don't feel more guilty, more shameful, more like for women they are juggling with many things. तो उनके अंदर गिल्ट भी बहुत होता है that I'm not able to do this, I'm not. So you realize each and everything with every step of when you start healing. तो वो सारे जो emotions हैं that make you feel low, that make you feel depressed, वो सारे emotions automatically because we release it on daily basis. Once you start healing, it is your daily practice and you automatically do it. It is not कि कोई आपको बोलेगा कि you sit for healing now. No, you will start healing every moment because you are aware of your thoughts, because you come to the present moment. So it will make you a very, very calmer person and a radiant person.
Awesome. Thank you so much for sharing this. I can totally agree because I have been through the mental health issues as well. So the time when you start healing from within, आपको खुद अंदर से एक दिन उठ के, like you are going to feel very light, calmer, and you will feel that I am coming back. So that comeback is getting back.
Yes,
Awesome.
definitely.
So, my last question that I would like to ask you is, you have given us so many golden nuggets to work on. What could be the last message that you can share with anybody who is listening to this podcast right now?
Yes, last message I would like to say is believe in yourself. You are worthy. Don't let anybody else uh, take away your shine. You are a very you are you are very I I mean you are a person who is deeply connected to the soul, and the purpose of your soul is to be happy. So choose happiness, choose to heal yourself, live your life to fullest, and you deserve it.
Amazing, absolutely. Every person deserves it. So, everyone, there are three action steps that I would love for all of you to take. Please let us know your breakthroughs in the comments below after watching this podcast. And if there are any questions that we can answer, we would love for you to let us know in the comments. Second thing, all the description, like all the links will be given in the description below, so just make sure that you follow Juhi ma'am everywhere. And the third thing is, please, please, please take action over all the things that have been mentioned. Pick one, go ahead and take action, because if you don't take action, you will never see the magic behind it. And thank you so much, Juhi ma'am. Thank you, everyone, and especially to you, Juhi ma'am, for taking out your time and being on our show.
Thank you so much, Gagi, for inviting me once again. And it is my privilege to be here because I want every woman to live their life fullest. And with this, you are creating a platform to create awareness and help people out. So thank you so much for creating this platform for us.
Awesome.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. Thank you, Juhi ma'am. Thank you, everyone. See you in the next episode with another inspiring guest. Bye.
Thank you.